Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Dnyanaprearanacoachingclasses. Today in this video I am going to take here Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas entrance examination for class 6. Subject is mathematics and in that subject there is second problem, 4 fundamental operations on a whole number. In that chapter there is assignment 2.5. In assignment 2.5 there is first problem is here. What is the average of the first 4 odd numbers? And options are here. Option A 2.5, option B 4, option C 5 and option D 16. So how to find out? We know the average. How to find out the average? In our important notes in one video, I have taken all important notes in that video. So please kindly go through that video. So here average. So what is the formula of average? Average equals to sum of given numbers upon total numbers. This is the formula to find out the average. So what is the average of the first 4 odd numbers? What are the first 4 odd number? 1 is odd number, 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number and 7 is odd number. These are the first 4 odd numbers. Equals to sum of the given numbers. So we need to arrange these 4 odd numbers in sum, in addition form. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 upon how many total number? 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 7, 5, 12, 3 what? 15 and 1, 16. 16 upon 4. Now here it is division. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Sum of given numbers this is and total number these are. And sum is 16 divided by 4. So average here is 4. So the average of the first 4 odd numbers is 4. So it is one formula. Again what is there? Another one formula. If there are numbers, what is it? 1, 3, 5 and 7. Numbers, total numbers are 4 and 4 is even number. 4 is even number. So average will be the sum of middle 2. So what? 3 plus 5 upon 2. So 8 upon 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Here is also 4. So this is formula to find out the average. And this is also a formula to find out average. It is shortcut formula, so it is useful. This is also useful. We need to know both. If the given data number even, so middle 2 numbers sum divided by 2 will be the average of the given data. So our answer is 4. That's why we need to find out the option. In option B there is 4. So our correct option is B. I am coloring here the option number B very well because it is our correct answer. In assignment 2.5 there is second problem. What is the average of the numbers 10, 19, 21, 22 and 28? So here options given, option A 21, option B 20, option C 19 and option D is 18. So how to find out? Same. First of all we need to know the formula of average. Average equals to sum of given numbers upon total numbers. So given numbers are these 10, 19, 21, 22 and 28. So 10 plus 19 plus 21 plus 22 plus 28, and total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 upon 5. So addition, sum here addition 8 to 10 and 1 11 and 9 20. 20 is to 0, carry 2. 2 and 2 4 to 6 to 8, 9 and 10. So sum of the given number is 100 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 0 is a 0. Average is 20. What is average? Average is 20. So here this formula only useful. There is no second formula for this number. Why? Because these numbers are in ascending form, but these are not in order. These numbers are not in serial order. That's why this formula is only useful for if the given data is not in the series, not in serial order, then that time we need to use this formula only. So here like this we have solved and our average is 20. That's why the average of the numbers 10, 9, 21, 22 and 28 is 20. Let's see the option. Option number B is correct. So that I am coloring here the option number B very well. Why? Because it is our correct answer option. In assignment 2.5 there is third problem. The average of the first 3 children in class is 13.5 years. If the sum of the ages of the first 2 children is 25 years, then what is the age of the third child? Option here 15.5 years, 13.2 years, 12.8 years and the 12.5 years. So this is the data. How many children are there? 3 children. And 3 children's average it is. And among that 3 children, sum is given. What is given? Sum is given of 2 children. Then find out the age of the third child. So this is the problem. So solution like here. First of all, we need to write out here what? Given. What? The average age of the first 3 children equals to 13.5 years. This is the average. The average of the first 3 children. This is average. So this is first given. And second what? The sum of the ages of the first 2 children. Sum of the ages of the first 2 children equals to 25 years. What is sum given? 25 years. So one clue is there, total 3 children's average, and second clue is given here, 2 children age sum. So first find out the sum of the 3 children. So we will find out like this: sum of the ages of the first 3 children equals to average into number of children. What? Average into number of children. What is the average? 13.3. 13.5 into number of children 3 equals to 3 5s are 15. Carry here 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 is to 0. Carry 1. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4. And after decimal point 1 number. Here after decimal point 1 number. 40.5 years. What is it? It is the sum of the ages of the first 3 children. Now what to find out? To find out the third child. Age of the third child. Therefore, formula here. The age of the third child equals to sum of the three children minus sum of the four children equals to sum of the three children what? 40.5 minus sum of the two children. Sum of the two children. What is the sum of the two children? 25. So subtraction 5, 0. Here nothing means 0.5. 0.0. 5 minus 0 is to 5. 0 minus 5 we cannot do, that's why here we are borrowing 1. 10. 10 minus 5 is to 5. When we borrowed here 1, here remain 3. 3 minus 2 is to 1. 15.5 years. Here I have written in shortcut. Here also I have written in shortcut. What should be here? Sum of the ages of the first three children minus sum of the ages of the first two children. Like this we need to write, but I have written here in short form and answer like this, 15.5 years. Let's see where 15.5 years in option number A. That's why I have colored here the option number A very well. Why? Because it is our correct answer option. Fourth problem. The average of three numbers is 12. Average of three numbers is given 12. If two of the numbers is 13 and 15, then which is the third number? Same as it is. Same as third problem, which is recently we have solved. So what? The average of three numbers equals to 12. Equals to 12. Two numbers are 13 and 15. So need what to find out? Third number. Third number equals to question mark. Average is given and two numbers are given. So do like the same, that the sum of the three numbers and then the sum of the two numbers, then minus sum of the two numbers from sum of the three numbers. Like this here it is. The sum of three numbers equals to 12 into 3. 12 3s are 36. It is the sum of three numbers. The sum of two numbers equals to 13 plus 15 equals to 28. Then what to find out? Third number. Third number equals to sum of three numbers minus sum of two numbers equals to sum of three number is 36 minus sum of two numbers 28 equals to 16 minus 8 is to 8. Carry upon here 2 minus 2 is to 0. Means what is 8 is the third number is the 8. Like this we can solve. Third number is 8. That's why 8 is in option number B. So that I am coloring the option number B very well. Why? Because it is our correct answer option. Fifth problem is here. A cyclist covers 50 kilometers in 5 hours. Find his average speed. So solution is here. Total distance, how much he covered? Total distance equals to 50 kilometers. And total time he taken 5 hours. So find the average. So simply you divide 50 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 0 is a 0. His average speed is 10 kilometer per hour, and find out answer where it is. In option number C is 10 kilometer per hour. Option number C is correct answer. So that I am coloring very well here option number C. Why? Because it is our correct answer option. Sixth problem is here. The average of 3 numbers is 8. Average of 3 numbers is 8. The first 2 numbers are 5 and 12. Find the third number. Option A 6, B 7, C 8 and D 8.5. Solution like this. First of all, we will write here the given average. The average of 3 numbers equals to 8. 2 numbers are 5 and 12. So find out the sum first. Sum of 3 numbers and sum of 2 numbers. Sum of 3 numbers equals to, are there given 3 numbers? No. What given there? Clue is given. What clue? Average is given 3 number. So how can we find out the sum? We can find out the sum by multiplying average with the number of data. So sum of 3 numbers equals to 8 into how many total number? 3 number. 8 3s are 24. Sum of 2 numbers. Sum of 2 numbers. What are the 2 numbers given? 5 and 7. Means sum 5 plus 12 given. 12, not 7. 12 plus 5 is to 17. So what to find out? Third number. Therefore, third number equals to sum of 3 numbers minus sum of 2 numbers. What is the sum of 3 numbers? 24 minus sum of 2 numbers 17 equals 14 minus 7 is to 7. Borrowed here 1 remain, 1 minus 1 is to 0. 7 is the third number. So option A 6, B 7. So that I am coloring the option number B. Why? Because it is our correct answer option. Seventh problem. The average weight of 3 bags. How many bags? 3 bags is 98.5 kg. Average. If the sum of the weights of 2 bags is 196 kg. What? The sum. Find the weight of the third bag. Third bag weight we need to find out. Same as like that. Solution given the average weight of 3 bags 98.5 kg. The sum of the weight of the 2 bags, the sum of the weight of the 2 bags 196 kg. So find out what the weight of the third bag. To find out the weight of the third bag, the sum of the 2 bags given, but sum of the 3 bags not given, so that we need to find out the sum of the 3 bags. How can we find out the sum of the 3 bags? Sum of the 3 bags equals to the weight of the sum of the 3 bags equals to average into number of bags. That is formula. Or to find out the sum of the weight of the 3 bags. The sum of the weight of the 3 bags equals to average into number of bags. Average 98.5 into total 3 bags. So multiplication 3 5s are 15 is to 5 carry 1, 3 8s are 24 and 1 25 is to 5 carry 2, 3 9s are 27 and 2, 27 and 2 29. So it is the sum of the weight of the 3 bags. Now to find out what? The weight of the third bag. Weight of the third bag equals to sum of the weight of the 3 bags minus the sum of the weight of the 2 bags. Now substitute the values. The sum of the weight of the 3 bags 295.5 minus 2 bag 196 equals, here after decimal point 1 digit, after decimal point 1 place 0. 5 minus 0 is to 5 decimal point. 15 minus 6 is to 9. From here we have borrowed 1, 8 remain. 8 minus 9 we cannot do, that's why here 18 minus 9 is to 9. When we borrowed here 1, 1 minus 1 is to 0. 99.5 kg is the weight of the third bag. 99.5 kg. 97, 98, 96, 99.5 kg. Option number D. So that I am coloring here option number D very well, because it is our correct answer option. In assignment 2.5, there is 8th problem. The sum of two numbers is 3,45,678. If one number is greater than other number by 16,016, then what is the greater number? So let's see. It is our solution. What is given? The sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers equals to 3,45,670. How many numbers we have? We have two numbers. One number is greater and other number will be absolutely smaller. So, smaller number is there and also greater number is there. Sum of two numbers given clearly. Smaller number and greater number. Greater number is in clue. How much it is greater by other number? It is greater by other number by 16,016. So, clue of greater number we have here. We haven't a clue of smaller number. So, assume that the smaller number is x. So, this is x is the smaller number. And greater number, how much greater? 16,016. So, in smaller number, we add 16,016. Then that number will be greater than the smaller number. Now, find out what greater number. So, here it is what? Sum of two numbers equals to smaller number plus greater number. What the smaller number we have? X we have the smaller number. So sum means addition. What is the greater number we have? We have a greater number x plus 16,016. And what is the sum of this smaller and greater number? These two numbers sum? Here 3,45,678. So x plus x equals to 2x plus 16,016 equals to 3,45,678. 2x is on the same place and 3,45,678 is on the same place. Positive number changing the side. It was in a left hand side that goes to the right hand side. By changing the sign, positive sign changes to the negative. 16,016. Now here it is. Therefore 2x equals to 8 minus 6 is to 2, 7 minus 1 is to 6, 6 minus 6 is to 6 minus 0 is to 6, 5 minus 6 can't, that's why 15 minus 6 is to 9, borrowed here 1, 3 minus 1 is to 2 and 3 is to 3. Now here x is on same place and 3,29,662 is on same place. Into 2 goes to the divide. Then division. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 1 remain 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 is 8. 1 remain 16. 2 8 is 16. 2 3 is 6 and 2 ones are 2. Then x equals to what value we got here? 1 6 4 8 3 1 means what? 1,64,831. X is here. What is the x? X is smaller number. So what to find out? We need to find out the greater number. So what is the clue of greater number? Greater number equals to x plus 16,016. Now substitute the value of x. What is the value of x? 1,64,831. 1,64,831 plus this is 16,016. 16. Now it is addition. 6 and 1, 7. 1 and 3, 4. 0 and 8, 8. 6 and 4, 10 is to 0. Carry 1. 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 6, 8. And 1 is to 1. 1,80,847 is the greater number. Find out in option number C, 1,80,847. So that our option number C is the correct answer option. I am coloring here the option number C very well. Why? Because it is our correct answer option and this problem was in 2018 examination. So student, I hope you understood this assignment 2.5 of mathematics of the chapter 2nd, 4 fundamental operations on a whole number of mathematics for entrance examination, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas entrance examination for class 6. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.